Namaste everyone. Welcome to Swar, the voice of jewelers, where we dive into the latest updates from the fashion, gems, and jewelry industry. I'm Swara, the world's first AI anchor in the gems, jewelry, and fashion industry by Swar Media Network. Gold and silver exchange traded funds declined by up to 4% as rising crude oil prices and a stronger US dollar pressured bullion sentiment. The stronger dollar made dollar-priced metals costlier for investors, while inflation concerns linked to higher energy prices dampened expectations of near-term US interest rate cuts. Meanwhile, as the markets and policies shape the backdrop, the jewelry world continues to glitter with fresh trends, innovations, and breathtaking designs. From the latest in luxury craftsmanship to cutting-edge styles, we bring you a closer look at what's captivating connoisseurs and collectors alike. Let's explore the latest trends, updates, and insights with the Indian Gems and Jewelry News. IIHS Bharat Tritiya 2026 concluded at BIEC Bengaluru, spotlighting innovation as a key theme, with exhibitors focusing on lower caratage and ultra-lightweight designs amid rising gold prices. Curated showcases like the Crafts Pavilion and Luxury segment enriched the offering, while an MOU and concurrent IJJME Expo reinforced India's expanding, resilient jewelry ecosystem. India's gem and jewelry exports rose 3.86% year-on-year to about $2.6 billion in February, led by strong growth in silver and platinum jewelry shipments. Silver jewelry exports surged 124%, while platinum exports also increased significantly. However, cut and polished diamond exports declined slightly, reflecting continued softness in the global diamond market. The Akshaya Tritiya edition of the Gem and Jewelry India International Fair at the Chennai Trade Center from 6th to 8th March recorded a strong turnout of retailers and trade buyers. With over 250 exhibitors and hundreds of stalls, the B2B show highlighted South Indian jewelry designs ahead of the festive buying season. Tanishq celebrated Gudi Padwa with the launch of its Dor Mangalsutra collection, inspired by the modern Marathi woman. The collection features heritage-inspired designs such as the Peshwa-inspired Chandra Door and enamel-detailed pieces like Kamal Door. PNG Jewellers has expanded its retail footprint with the launch of its 70th store at Grand Uran Central in Uran, Navi Mumbai. The showroom was inaugurated by brand ambassador Madhuri Dixit. PNG Jewellers also expands North Indian presence with new store launch in Gorakhpur. Actor-entrepreneur Malaika Arora launched lifestyle accessories brand Mejoy in collaboration with Myntra and Exceed Entertainment. The debut collection includes over 250 styles, featuring lab-grown diamond jewelry and handbags. Titan Company's premium retail format Helios Lux has partnered with German watchmaker Alexander Shorokov to introduce limited edition mechanical watches in India. Around 16 models priced between 2 lakh rupees and 6 lakh rupees will debut across select boutiques, targeting India's fast-growing accessible luxury watch segment. Now speaking about the world of international gems and jewelry news. The global platinum jewelry market is showing resilience despite volatility in precious metal prices. Industry experts note that rising gold prices are encouraging substitution, positioning platinum as an attractive alternative in premium and bridal segments. Demand remains steady as brands and retailers leverage platinum's purity, durability, and growing appeal in luxury jewelry. Lucara Diamond has secured the remaining funding for its $779 million underground expansion of the Karo diamond mine. The miner raised $350 million through a bond placement to refinance existing debt and complete the project. The expansion will extend the mine's life to 2040 and support future high-value diamond production from one of the world's most prolific large diamond deposits. South Africa has introduced stricter regulations requiring rough diamond producers to offer a portion of their output to local buyers before exporting. The policy aims to strengthen domestic cutting and polishing, support local manufacturers, and retain greater value within the country. Industry leaders say the move could reshape rough supply flows and boost South Africa's downstream diamond sector. Graf has unveiled its Tilda's Bow campaign, celebrating love, femininity and the artistry of diamond jewelry. Inspired by the elegant silhouette of a tight silk bow, The Antwerp World Diamond Centre has launched a consumer awareness initiative calling for clearer disclosure between natural and lab-grown diamonds. The campaign includes free jewelry scans and buyer education, warning that visually identical stones differ significantly in value. AWDC is also advocating stricter labeling rules and supporting proposals that could reserve the term diamond specifically for natural stones. Now, let's turn to the latest in Indian fashion news. Lakme Fashion Week, held in partnership with Fashion Design Council of India, returns to Mumbai with a 4-day schedule of runway showcases and presentations. Designers including Anamika Khanna, Manish Malhotra, Rahul Mishra and Tarun Tahiliani are among those presenting new collections. The event brings together leading designers, models and celebrities, reinforcing its role as one of India's most influential platforms shaping fashion trends and industry collaborations. Forest Essentials is entering a new phase of global expansion as the Estee Lauder companies moves to acquire the remaining stake in the luxury Ayurvedic skincare brand. The move aims to bring India's luxury Ayurveda-based beauty philosophy to a wider global audience while strengthening the brand's leadership in the premium skincare segment. India's first non-leather footwear component manufacturing park is set to rise in Perambalur, Tamil Nadu, aiming to reshape the country's footwear supply chain. Phoenix Kothari Footwear, a joint venture between Kothari Industrial Corporation and Phoenix Singapore. The project aims to build a domestic supply chain for footwear components, attract about $140 million in global investment, and reduce reliance on imports while strengthening India's position in global athletic and lifestyle footwear manufacturing. JJ Vallia has introduced a heritage-inspired accessories line as his label celebrates 35 years. The collection features belts, bags and statement pieces reflecting royal and travel influences, extending the house of Vallia's signature blend of Indian craftsmanship, history and contemporary luxury design. Tasva has strengthened its presence in Bengaluru with the launch of 2 new stores at MG Road and Electronic City. The brand now operates 11 outlets across the city. The expansion reflects rising demand for contemporary Indian occasion wear that blends traditional craftsmanship with modern tailoring. And lastly, the exciting international fashion news. Paris Fashion Week brought together leading luxury houses and global celebrities as designers unveiled their fall-winter 2026 collections across the French capital. Major shows were presented by Chanel, Dior, Louis Vuitton and Saint Laurent. The event also highlighted sustainability innovations, including an Indian label Jivia presenting a 100% plant-based collection aimed at decarbonizing fashion. Prominent attendees included Zendaya, Rihanna, Jennie and Gigi Hadid, reinforcing Paris' role as a global hub for fashion innovation and cultural influence. Saks Global announced plans to close 15 stores as part of its restructuring strategy following its Chapter 11 bankruptcy filing. The closures include 12 Saks Fifth Avenue and 3 Neiman Marcus locations as the luxury retailer aims to streamline operations and focus on more profitable stores. Michael Kors has introduced over 100 new arrivals for the spring 2026 season, including handbags, footwear, jewelry and ready-to-wear pieces. The collection highlights warm-weather staples such as crossbody bags, sandals and lightweight accessories designed to refresh wardrobes with versatile, everyday luxury styles. Armani Exchange has unveiled its Spring 2026 watch collection featuring updated Armani Exchange Sync models, new digital styles and the debut of the women's Odell platform. Inspired by urban energy and city nightlife, the lineup includes New York-themed special editions, automatic movements and jewelry-inspired designs, offering contemporary timepieces for both men and women. Adidas, with Portuguese street artist Wills and football club SL Benfica, have unveiled a special edition shirt celebrating street football and urban art. The collaboration blends sport, culture and design, highlighting creativity inspired by community football spaces and Lisbon's urban identity. Burberry has launched a special capsule collection to mark the birth centenary of Queen Elizabeth II. Created with the Royal Collection Trust, the range includes a gabardine coat, cashmere and silk scarves, and a corgi-shaped brooch inspired by the late Queen's signature countryside style and lifelong connection with the British brand. That's all for today. From the dazzling world of jewelry to the excitement of the glittering gem and jewelry shows, there's always something shining bright. Stay connected with Swar Media Network for more trends, insights, and updates from the world of gems, jewelry, and fashion. I am Swara, world's first AI anchor of the fashion, gems, and jewelry industry by Swar Media Network, signing off. Until then, स्वस्थ रहिए, मस्त रहिए, शुभ रात्रि, शब खैर।